We're running the same demonstration as we did on the previous video without the guard off. We're only doing this because now you can see the mechanism. You can see to the right of the pulley there is a proximity sensor pointing vertically up. When the disc gets down to the end of stroke, it'll be gapped correctly at the proximity sensor. There's never any reason to change the setting on the proximity sensor. Regardless of where you set the disc, it'll always come down to the stop and actuate the proof of return. On top of this disc, welded to it, there's a special nut that has a split through it where, with an Allen key, we are able to lock the thread so the disc doesn't turn on the threaded extension to change the stroke. We're now going to demonstrate. We're going to shut off the air, and we're going to demonstrate changing the stroke. The air is going to be shut off when it's in its vertically up position. All right. Now we're going to start the demonstration. First, we loosen the lock nut by putting the set screw through the wrench to keep the keep the hex from turning, and just loosening the lock nut. All right. The lock nut is loose when you don't feel any pressure. At that point, you could hold the end of the spindle by hand and turn and adjust the stroke up or down. We've put enough free travel length on the threaded rod that you could have up to 1 inch of free travel and still have about an additional 2 inches for stroking. Right now, let's say he has the correct position. He's now going to show, he's going to tighten the set screw to make sure that the split bolt does not move and change the adjustment setting. I'm just going to look underneath again to show the proximity sensor, and it's level. It's gapped about 15 thousandths below the disc. This proximity sensor has a 2 millimeter or approximately 80 thousandths sensing distance. That's a maximum. This gives us plenty of leeway, so it acts reliably. Thank you.